It's a well-known fact. Accurate inventory control and effective product promotion are essential for the success of any business, regardless of size. Many businesses still rely on spreadsheets and handwritten lists to manage their inventory. Using them is inefficient, error-prone, and makes it difficult for staff to access the information they need. Kisbin is an easy, powerful, and flexible program for wholesale, retail, and home-based sellers of every kind. Control inventory, advertise, take online orders, and create receipts with one simple inventory list. If you're already using a computer to track inventory, upload a file to your Kisbin account in minutes. To create a new list, fill out a form on a computer or mobile device, snap a photo, and scan a barcode to create a record in seconds. With your inventory now online, access and manage your new list more efficiently than ever. To make promotion easy, the platform automatically creates and maintains a catalog showcasing the products on your list. It can serve as your primary website, be linked to other sites, shared with messengers, and added to printed material. Visitors will conveniently browse your products and place orders directly from your page, saving time for you and your customers. It's easy to start using Kisbin. Explore the live demo account to see the features in action and then start a 30-day free trial with no upfront payment or credit card required. We're excited to share our program with you. Open a free account today.